Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can sign up in the Ulta Beauty account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to choose a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.ulta.com/bag. So once you type this URL in, you will be redirected to the Ulta Beauty's login page where you can see the profile icon. So you need to simply tap on it and you will be redirected to its sign up interface. So now just scroll down a bit and you can find the create account option where you need to simply click on. Now you need to enter your first name and your last name as well. After you're done filling in both the credentials, you need to now simply type in your email address for it to send the verification mail and other newsletters. So now you need to create a strong password which follows the requirement of Ulta Beauty sign up process. So once you are done, the mobile number is optional and your date of birth is also optional. However, you need to select a state from the drop down bar and you can select the reward program. So now if you want to fill in the mobile number, you can just go up and fill in your mobile number. Otherwise, you can just leave it as it is. So once you're done with it, you just need to scroll down and simply click on the continue option. So after you press the continue option, you are all set to go on a shopping spree on Ulta Beauty online. So this is how you sign up in your Ulta Beauty app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.